Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly, let's enter the settings, because first of all I will show you how to customize this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's tap on the display, and as you can see, actually on the 4th position we've got a blue light filter, which is the name of the eye comfort mode, for example, or night mode. And obviously we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher here. So just tap on it, and I hope that you could see that the screen turned a little bit yellowish, and this is actually how to turn it on. What's more, we can customize it, so just tap on blue light filter, and as you can see here, we can choose the opacity. So just by swiping to the left, we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. What's more, here we've got the option which is turn on as scheduled, and after turning it on we can custom it, so we can set it from sunset to sunrise, or we can custom schedule, so we can freely choose the start time and the end time. So just by swiping and confirming with done, we can set the time we want to use. Just tap on done, and as you can see, the screen is still in, let's say, normal colors. It is because we are now between the start time and end time. Obviously it will be automatically changed if we will be right between start time and end time. But let me turn it off. And actually this is the whole customization, so let me show you the faster access to this feature. All you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the blue light filter option, which is right here. Right now obviously it is activated, and after tapping on it we can easily turn it off. Obviously we can turn it on the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.